The HRS portable site alarms, PSAs, are quick and easy to deploy. The carry case should contain the correct colour PSA for the closure point, and there should be an incursion button with the red and orange units. When arriving on site, take the equipment out of the box and place it on a 1 metre cone. Remember to take out the incursion button if applicable and close the box. As you press the power button to turn the unit on, you will see the red data light start to flash. This will turn green when it establishes a connection to the system, followed by the green LEDs illuminating a solid green. The equipment is now fully active. The red and orange PSAs are activated by either pressing the incursion warning button, the red warning button on the fascia panel, or, in the event of a controlled authorized entry, the blue button on the fascia panel. Dependent on the system configuration, it is the activation of the red, yellow or orange PSA that escalates the activation to the blue workforce alarms, positioned where required throughout the closure. The yellow PSAs are activated by the movement sensors in the smart lamps, or by the single sentry beam being passed through by either a vehicle or person. In most scenarios, all alarms on site can be reset from either a red or orange PSA, once it has been deemed safe to do so by the designated responsible person. When fully charged, the batteries should last around 35 to 40 hours, but should be regularly charged when taken back to the depot. Charging stations or individual chargers are supplied with the system. Make sure before charging that the charging station is working correctly, pressing the reset button if required. It is then a simple task to just plug a charger into the back of the PSA. The charging process takes around 8 hours from flat to fully charged. However, if this is not possible, external battery packs can be supplied that easily connect to the PSA and can last for over 300 hours.